Welcome back, YouTube. It's old Chevy 4x4 diving into these Dutch oven wars head first. So a little while back, my buddy Dark Matter, DIY Dark Matter that is, started this whole Dutch oven war thing, and it's been going around on YouTube, and people have been tagging each other and whatnot. My friend Helga at Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking tagged me, so here we are. Got a fire going, got a Dutch oven just starting to preheat and get a little warm. Let's take a walk over here and check it out. First thing I'm going to do is get some coals going over here. So what we're doing, y'all, we are preheating the cast iron so we can sear our beef. Throw some more wood on here because I want to make sure with the rain we got enough coals. And while that oven is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and season up our roast here, guys. I got a chuck roast, about a 2.5 pounder, so a pretty little piece of meat right there. I'm going to liberally apply some salt, pepper, and garlic. Alrighty. That's set up there. We're going to use this Camp-made lid lifter. Works like a charm. We're going to add some of the official ingredient of old Chevy 4x4 cooking videos. That'd be bacon grease. Got to have some bacon grease. Alright, we're going to drop in our roast. Let it get a good sear on it. A couple minutes each side. On with the rest of the show, shall we? We got some red potatoes chunked up. We've got a jar of sliced up pepperoncinis. If you get the whole pepperoncinis, don't just dump the whole jar in, because the little stem that's attached to them will turn into a little piece of wood. So if you get the whole pepperoncinis, slice them up yourself, then throw them in. Don't just dump the whole ones in. Dump it all in, juice and all. And then we got 2 packs of Italian seasoning mix, and we're going to mix that with about 1.5 cups of beef broth. Alrighty. Get that lid on. Get some heat on the top. And we're going to let her run. We are still rolling. It's been about 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and refresh my coals. Turn things, move things, do all that good stuff. We're going to take a peek while we're at it. So I want to dump this off the lid. Oh, that looks good. And oh man, it smells good too. Let me tell you. Got a little bit of thunder grumbling in the distance. But it's been threatening all afternoon, so I'm not too worried. Move that over there. Well, crap. You know, when you're in battle, such as we are today, as we're in the thick of this Dutch oven war, we can't let adverse weather conditions affect the outcome. You know, I've got the grit, I've got the sand, I've got the determination. I'm going to push on. Mostly, I'm going to hope I don't get struck by lightning. It is what it is. I'm like an hour and a half out on this, you know what I mean? So we got this tarp set up, and eyes are running, my nose is running, all this smoke is just hitting me. The good news is, as of right now, as of yet, nobody's been struck. The fire's still burning. The food is still cooking. All right, it's been 4 hours and about 15 minutes. We'll see how this looks. Well, that looks, oh, yeah, I don't have to tell you how that looks. That looks pretty awesome right there. We're going to call that done. I'm going to go ahead and take this in the house. I'm going to pull the meat and the potatoes and all the other good stuff out. Put it in a bowl, separate the juices. We're going to be back out here to make gravy in just 1 minute. We're also going to make up some yeast rolls. And that other Dutch oven right there, it's been heating up just a little bit. And guys, we'll be eating very well tonight. That fella right there. Well guys, things didn't work out quite like I planned, so I put the yeast rolls in, moved the Dutch ovens around, went to kind of reposition things. In the process, I hit the tarp where it was kind of buckled over here, and some water came out, tarp came down, the camera got hit, the tripod fell over, it was a whole ordeal. I took the camera inside and took the battery out of it because it had gotten wet, and stuck it in a bowl and just poured minute rice all over the top of it. Let it sit there for a day and a half, and here we are talking to each other, so obviously it worked out. But I did not get to finish the video. So I'm going to leave you a couple still shots here. I did get a couple pictures, and that'll be it. So you can see here sitting on the stove top, I got that delicious gravy up in that big Dutch oven, the yeast rolls, and of course the roast and the potatoes, and guys, that all turned out fantastic. And here's the end result on my plate just before I went to town on it, guys. I'm sorry this video didn't work out the way I really anticipated it, but you know what? I think it came out alright. I had a blast making it, had a good time. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Big thank you to DIY Dark Matter for starting this whole operation. Another big thank you to Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking for tagging me. As far as an additional tag goes, I'm so late in the game on this, I'm pretty sure everybody I know has already been tagged. So if you want to get out there and cook in a Dutch oven, by all means, jump on it. That's your challenge, or my challenge to you, whoever you may be. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments and all that good stuff. Do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.